Online, my screen is visible.
Yes, you are audible.
So yesterday we have discussed basic package, Python package like is Numpy. So some of the basics we have discussed yesterday, creating entire array with zeros, creating entire array with ones, and like random numbers, samples, steps. So we have done some of the things, right? We have done some of the things, and we created some of the arrays also, creating 2D, 3D, 1D arrays also. So today we are moving towards somewhat interval levels, that is accessing array elements. Same for accessing purpose, like here also we use the index only, like Python. In Python also we use the index for accessing elements, right? Right? In Python, to access the elements we use index. By using index only we can access the elements. So here also we can use the same index to access the elements. Okay. Here example is ARR is a variable name. Array equals to np dot array. I'm creating an array 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So array of 3. Array of 3. Print array of 3. So 3 is the index of 4. The output is a 4. If you mention here 1, what is the output?
2.
Sorry. Import numpy. Yeah, no, it's work. Okay. 2. So what is the output of what is the output of this?
3.
What is the output of this? What is the output of this? 3. Negative index starts from right side to left side, right? So you need to count -1, -2, -3. So -2 means in the place of 3 index is -2 index is the place of 3, element 3. So we get that. So if you want to add the two indexes, we can simply like two indexing, adding of two index. Simply we use this plus. If you want to add two indexes, you can add the two indexes. If you want to multiply two indexes, simply we need to mention the arithmetic operations. That's it. We need to mention the arithmetic operations. So it will consider the values which are the place of index. So here the index value of 2 is 1, 2, 3. And index value of 3 is index value of 3. 4. 4. Value 4. So index 2 value 3. So I'm doing 3 minus 4 minus 1. If you done any arithmetic operations on the indexes, it will be work like this. Clear? Everyone clear? Yeah. Next one. Up to now we have done seen like only accessing of 1D array. Let's move to the axis of 2D array. Accessing elements from the 2D array. So yesterday class I already mentioned that in every 2D array there is a 1D array, right? In every 3D array there is a 2D array. In every 2D array there is a 1D array. So same like that, here the 2D array is created. In the 2D array we have a two 1D arrays. We have a two 1D arrays, right? This is a 2D. This is a 2D array. So in the 2D array, we have a two 1D arrays. So I need to access 0, 1. So here the 0 is the index, 1 is also an index. In every 2D, we have a 1D, right? So for each and every 1D, have an axis index. For first in 1D array, we have a 0 index. After that, 1 index. After that, 2 index. So for the 1D, entire 1D. In that 1D, we need to access 1. Access 1, 0, 1. This is the output. Every 2D array, there is a 1D array. So each 1D array have a indexes. index x starts from 0. So per each 1D array, we are assigning index. Okay. Here the if you want to access 2D from the elements from the 2D, we need to mention the two things. One is I need to go for the axis of 1D, and other one is we need to access from the element in a 1D element. Okay, na 1D element lo unde element ni access cheyali. So first to represented first count like 0, 1. So 0 represented for the index of 1Ds. Index of 1Ds. After that, in the 1D, it will select some of the in 1D array. After that, we need to access the index of 1. అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా కొంచెం So this is the 2D, right? Like this only, right? So here the values, some so on so values, so on so value. Fine. So for every 2D, we have 1D. The combinations of different 1Ds is known as a 2D, right? In every 2D, we have a 1D. So here I'm accessing 0, 1, right? 0, 1. This 0 represents for the index of 1D array. That means this is 0 for this 1. So 0. That means this is the index. I need to select. After that, I need to search for index 1. 0, 1. Here the whatever the values present here, that will be getting an output. Clear? Online, offline both. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే వాల్యూ ఉంటుందో ఫస్ట్ ఇది వెళ్ళి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది ఇండెక్స్ ని 1D ఇండెక్స్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది ఆ 1D ఇండెక్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన 1D ఇండెక్స్ లో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. క్లియర్? ఆన్లైన్?
Yes.
Question, sir?
Yes, understood.
Yeah, Suresh.
Yes, sir.
So ప్రతి ఒక్క 2D లో 1Ds ఉంటాయి, 3Ds లో 2Ds ఉంటాయి, 2Ds లో మళ్ళీ 1Ds ఉంటాయి. Every 3D has their 2Ds, every 2D has their 1D. So we are assigning the indexes for them. Okay. What is the output of this? What is the output for this?
4.
What is the output for this?
4.
What is the output for this? 4. Count that. First letter is represented for the, this is represented for the index of 1D. So this is 0 index, this is the 1 index. 0, 1.
Oh, okay.
This is the second index. So 1 index. After that, I need to access the index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Output is
9.
clear or not clear?
Clear. Yeah.
Clear? Okay. Tell me the output. Can you please tell the output for this?
5.
5. Is it right? That's it. I hope you are understand, right? How to access the element from the 2D. Same like that. If you want to access the element from the 3D also, same thing. So first element is represented for the 2D index. Second element is represented for the 1D index. And third element is represented for the in 1D, which value you require. Okay. Which value you require. So this is a 3D element. In every 3D, there is a 2Ds. This is a 2D. In every 2D, there is a 1D. Right? In every 3D, there is a 2D. In every 2D, there is a 1D. So here I am asking 1, 1, 1. first it goes to search for the 1 in a 2D index. This is a 0. This is a 1. Right? After that, it will go and search the first 1D index. This is a 0. This is a 1. After that, it will go and search the element 1 index. This is the output. Clear?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. For this, 2. Yeah. What's the answer for this? 2. Hmm? 2. Is it right?
Vamshi, it won't work, right? Because there is no
Yes, sir.
third.
There
Yeah.
is no 3 1Ds present in a 2D.
Yeah.
So how
Yeah.
can you get the 2?
In 2 words. That's
Here I mentioned the 3.
okay.
There is no 3 1Ds present in a 2Ds.
Two.
Only 2 1Ds is presented. Right, sir? Bhushan, sir, right. Now,
So if that's the case, 2 and then first and then 1. 4 is the answer. Sorry, 2 is the answer.
2. Is it right?
1, 2.
2. So first it will go and search the index 2 of 2D. So this is the index 1, sorry, 0, 1, 2, right? We found the index 2. In that index 2, we need to find the index 1 of 1D. This is a 0,
Yep.
this is a 1, right? In that 1D, we need to find the index of 1, 0, 1. This is the output.
Yep.
One comma 1 comma 3. Sorry, 3 comma 1 comma 3.
It won't work again. Vamshi. Yeah.
12.
12. Okay.
12.
It won't work, Vamshi.
Yes, sir. Right now, what is the
Yeah,
answer?
now it will be 12.
12.
Understand
Yes.
how we access the elements from the 1D, how we access the elements from the 2D, how we are accessing the elements from the 3D.
3.
So if you want to note down, you can note down from here.
So Vamshi, one question here. So
Yes, sir.
so the array is the function that we use here, right? For any any dimension that we are trying to mention within the brackets.
Yes,
Here.
sir.
Like that's the structure that we follow. Right?
Yeah, structure. That's a structure.
Okay. Okay. Dot array.
Done. So next concept is data types. So we are already seen the data types in Python, right? Numbers, floats, strings, we are already seen. Same data types here also they mention like integer, boolean, unsigned, float, complex float, date, time, object, strings. Simply, if you want to mention the all the array as a string, simply need to mention data type equals to S. S represented for the capital S represented for the strings. The entire string, the entire array is converted into the strings. The entire array is converted into the strings. Okay. Same like that. If you want to mention the int into 4, that's a types like int 4, int 16, int 32, int 8. We have already seen bitwise binary code, right? 2, 4, 6, sorry, 2, 4, 8, 16, like that. If you want to mention, you can mention. The entire array is created towards the int. Okay. Like that, if you want, so observe here. So initially, I created array with the float values. I created array with the float values, but I need to convert into the int. So for that purpose, we use the as a type. This is a small function. When you use this function, the entire the data from one format to another format it will be converted like a type function. In Python, we use this int float for the converting of type function. But here we are using as a type. Which type do you require? As a type of I means int. So it will convert to the int. Okay. Like that, if you want to convert into the boolean, simply you can convert the boolean. So here the boolean is if zero, if in case if you pass the zero, it will show the output as a false. Any number except zero, it will show the output as a true. Clear? Clear or not?
Clear.
So next method, copy. Simply, if you want to copy this array to another array, we use this copy method. So array equals to np dot array 1, 7, 3, 4, 65. 6. Okay. I am copying entire array into the X for the using the function of copy. Okay. Using the function of copy. This entire array 1, 7, 3, 4, 6 is now stored in a X also. Okay. Now I am updating the value index 0 as a 642. Array of 0. So it will change the array of 0 with 642. Right? But the output of array is this one. The output of X is this one. Understand or not? ఇక్కడ మేము చేంజ్ చేసాం బట్ కాపీ చేసిన తర్వాత చేంజ్ అవ్వదు ఎందుకంటే వీఆర్ కాపింగ్ కాపీ చేసిన తర్వాత చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం సో ఇఫ్ ఐ రిమూవ్ దిస్ థింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది హియర్ it will change. Okay. First, we creating the array. After that, I am copying the array. Okay. After that, I am copying the array to the X. Now, array and X is the same. I am updating the array for this value 0 of 62. It will be updated only in a array, not in X. Not in X. Clear?
0 की वैल्यू पे वो चला जाए
Yeah.
पैटर्न
Okay. Clear? కాపీ చేసేది జస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఒక అరే క్రియేట్ చేసాం దాని తర్వాత కాపీ చేసాం కాపీ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్డేట్ చేసాం ఒక ఫైల్ నుంచి ఒక ఫైల్ కాపీ చేస్తాం కదా ఇక్కడ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇన్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్ సేమ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఐ ఫార్వర్డ్ విత్ యూ సో ఇఫ్ ఐ డన్ ఎనీ అప్డేట్స్ ద ఫైల్ ఓన్లీ చేంజ్ ఇన్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్ నాట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ నా దగ్గర ఒకటే మారుతుంది నీ దగ్గర మారుతుంది ఓకేనా దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాపీ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ వ్యూ View means simply viewing purpose. చూడడానికి simply view. Okay, array equals to np dot array. I am creating these values. X equals to array dot view. Updating of 42. It will shows the two updated value as well as the view value. So whatever the things you are stored in a X, the same thing is in the array. Here I am not doing any copy. If you copy this entire things has been copied. here the view functions represented whatever the values you have here, that will be stored here also. If you update anything here, that will also store here. If anything remove here, that will also store here. Okay. But copy method is not like that. Copy method is first copy the things. If you update anything, it will directly place over here only, not the X values. Okay. Like that, the view method, copy method is works. Clear? Not done.
Excuse me.
Full sir. I4 में integer 4.
Bit integer bit 4.
So
Let them write. Wait. So try these examples with a different example. Try this each and every method with the different examples. Okay. Okay. Can I scroll some more? Okay. అయిపోతాను చెప్పండి స్కూల్ వేస్తా. Done. Yeah, next main important concept, that is reshaping array. So if you want to change the shape of array from 1D to 2D or 2D to 3D or 3D to 1D, we need to use this reshaping array. So that is most important in the images. Okay, if you are working on the deep learning programs, in images, we need to reshape the images. Okay, from one dimension to another dimension. At the days, we use this reshaping of arrays. Okay, simply we are changing the one format of array to the another format of array. Here one format means 1D, 2D, 3D to or 3D, 2D, 1D, any type of things. So here the example is ARR array equals to NP dot array. I created 1D array. So I created 1D array. New array equals to ND array dot reshape into 4 rows, 3 columns. If you multiply this 4 into 3, it is equals to 12. So the same elements need to be present in a 1D. Okay. If you mention extra element, it won't convert it. Okay. It won't convert it. So exact, it requires exact numbers or elements or values or items. So in ND, we have a 12 elements. So when you reshaping into the 2D, that is row into columns, we need exact element. So when you apply the multiplication between these two things, 4 3s are 12. That means here we need to require a 12 elements. So how can we find number of elements present in a array? How can we find number of elements present in a array? How can we find? ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం? How can we find the number of elements present in a array? By using how can
Count
we
with
find? Sorry, sir.
count function or something.
No. At yesterday class, you didn't listen about the yesterday class. Size.
Okay. Size of
By using the
length.
size, we can easily identify number of elements present in a array.
Okay.
Understand? ఏం పుష్ప మర్చిపోయినావా? ఇదేనా ఫంక్షన్? కరెక్ట్? Is it right? So the int is collapse. Correct? Size function. It'll write. Hmm? Clear? అంతే కదా size of array 12 we can use to find number of elements present in a array. Same if you want to change it into the 3D, we need to have a shape, rows, columns. If you multiply these three things, it is equal to the 12. 2 3 the 6. 6 to the 12. Same, right? Hmm? Antena? If you want to convert it 1D to 3D, 3D to 1D, you can convert like this. Okay? Try different examples converting from 3D to 2D and 2D to 1D. Clear? అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా? So, note it. It's an important topic. Reshaping of array. Reshaping of array. Hurry up. Fast. We have only 10 minutes. Yeah. Simply need to write this thing. That's it. We don't want to write everything. Performing arithmetic operations in between the two arrays. Do you have idea about it? Performing arithmetic operations on two arrays. Okay. So index already completed. So try yourself the complete index. Okay. And the final topic is performing x equals to nb dot array. I created the two-dimensional array 1, 2 and 3, 4, and y equals to nb dot array 5, 6 and 7, 8. So performing the arithmetic operations between the two arrays, first arithmetic operation is addition, adding of two arrays. So print x plus y is a one type of format, or you can use print nb dot add x, y. So we have a two types of operations like performance. Two types of methods we have. First one is it's very simple. Directly you can mention x plus y. Or if you want to apply the methods, simply nb dot add. Simply nb dot x, y. అర్థమైందా? Two methods ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి x plus y అని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా nb dot add. We have a two methods. So same output. It will be calculated like 1, 2, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. This is a x, right? Next to 5, 6, 6, 8, 7, 8. So this is the two arrays. So if you apply x plus y, it will multiply whatever the value present here and the same value here. As the output, right? Next one, this one, 2 plus 6. This one, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 8. Add this 6,
6, 8,
10, 8,
10, 12.
10, 12. This is the output of when you apply 2, 1, right? Because it is a float value, defaultly I mentioned the float. Like that only, it will apply the minus, it will apply the multiplication, it will apply the division, it will apply the square roots. Understand? Clear? Online, offline, both same process. For the minus, this value minus this value. 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 8. So for multiplication, 1 into 5, 2 into 6, 7, 3 into 7, 4 into 8. For division, 1 divided by 5, 2 divided by 6, 3 divided by 7, 4 divided by 8. Same process.
Okay. Okay.
Same process. Clear or not clear?
Yes. Clear. Vamshi.
Yeah. So this is the complete topics of Numpy. So if you want more topics, you can simply go for the Google. Simply go for Google, type numpy.org, numpy.org, or it's the official website. So you can learn from here, documentation, get started. So complete things as presented here. You can search here and you can go. So up to now, we use everything for the data science projects. So if you want to more about the things, you can go for the things. Okay. Here we have a comparator operators also. You need to compare whether the A is like this also we have. So check out these things. Okay. Check out this. So that's it from my side. If you want to mention note down, you can note down. I hope you are clear, right?
Yes. Vamshi.
Yeah. So today we are going to start another package, that is pandas. Tomorrow we are going to start pandas next class.
Excuse me.
Just write the things. That's it. How to create array and what is the formula functions. That's it. So, so guys, do you have any doubts up to now?
No. Just one question though, Vamshi. I mean,
Yeah,
like,
sir.
what would be the real life scenario when we will be using NumPy? I mean, like one example if you can give so that I
Sir,
can find out more.
yeah, sir, understand. So basically, we don't use these things. These are the main important thing to convert the reshaping of dimensions. Okay.
Mhm.
So in deep learning, we have neural networks. We need to convert the high pixel of dimensions to the low pixel. Okay. These are the some basic operations we have present in a NumPy. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the main topic. That's why I'm mentioning this is the main topic. Okay, this is the main topic, but there is some basics to understand the topic. That's why I show you each and everything. Okay, clear, sir? Your doubt? Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it from my side. That's it from my side. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the class. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr.